to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria and today I am making a very delicious red salsa. It's from a very famous restaurant. I go there all the time. Their food is delicious, but their salsa's even more. The salsa I am making today, it's a red salsa. It's a very tasty and very hot but delicious salsa. I hope you could do it at home. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have garlic powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, salt, chili powder, cayenne powder, 3 garlic cloves, 1 slice of red onion, 2 lemons, 1 tomato, 1 package of chili pods. They're called chile de árbol, 4 cups of water, chipotle, chilies, in their adobo. This is the version I created here at home, and it's almost the same. I would say it's the same, but I hope you do it at home and you could taste it, and you go to this restaurant and you could take their salsa. Give yourself the opportunity to make this salsa at home. Your family and you will enjoy it. Well, I am ready to start, so let's get started. I have my chili pods here. What I'm going to do is take the stems off. When you buy them in the package, they always come with the stem on. So we need to remove it so we could rinse it out completely and be ready to put it to cook. So I'll see you back in a little bit when I'm done taking the stems off. I took all the stems out. I rinsed my chilies. Now I'm going to add my tomato. I'm gonna cut it in 4 pieces. I'm gonna add it here to my chilies, and I'm just going to add the 4 cups of water. Okay, this is everything that's going here. I'm gonna take it to the stove and I'm gonna start cooking it, and I'll see you back in a little bit, my friends. I turned my stove on. I'm gonna add my saucepan, and I'm gonna just leave it here until it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, we're going to remove it and start with adding everything and blending everything to this chilies. So I'll see you back, my friends. This started boiling already, and I'm going to turn it off, and I'm just gonna leave it there so I could get everything ready and blend. I am going to start with my lemons. And of course, these are organic lemons from my tree. I am juicing my lemons, and I'm doing it at this little plate just to make sure that I have no seeds, and I could remove the seeds very easily. I'll see you back when I'm done. Okay, I have all my chilies here and my tomato. I am going to add it to my blender. Okay, and we're gonna add all the water. To this, I am going to add my lemon juice, just to make sure that no seeds go in there, okay? Okay. I'm going to add my 3 garlic cloves, my red onion, my cayenne pepper, my chili powder, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, salt, black pepper, and I'm going to add my 2 chilies chipotles. They're actually going to be 3. We don't need too much of this, okay? And that's including with the adobo sauce. Okay, this is enough. Okay, we are going to blend it completely for about 5 to 10 minutes until everything is completely blended. Be careful, I don't want you to get burned, okay? So see you when this is completely blended. Okay, this salsa is done. It's been blending for about 10 minutes. This salsa is not a chunky salsa. It's a thick but very smooth salsa. This is done. Let me pour it so you could see. It's nice and runny, but it's delicious. At this moment, we're gonna taste it to see if it needs just a little more of salt. This is delicious. Okay, this is done. I'll show you from close up how the salsa looks. I want to show you how it looks right now. It's nice and hot. Look how thick this is. This is a very delicious salsa. Once it cools down, it's going to thicken just a little bit more. Okay, I am ready for the presentation. So see you back in a little bit, my friends. Done with this King Taco salsa. It came out delicious and perfect. I have some baked potatoes that I'm adding some hot salsa. This hot salsa goes with everything. You know, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this hot salsa came out. I wish you would be here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Delicious. And you know something? It's not hot, but it's spicy, and the flavor of the chipotle gave it such a delicious flavor. Tell you the truth, I go to this restaurant only for this red salsa. And now I can make it at home, and you can make it at home too. Give yourself the opportunity to make it at home, and this salsa will be the one you have in your refrigerator all year long. I hope you can make it at home. It came out delicious and very tasty. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for your time, for playing my video, watching it from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying my hot salsa. Bye-bye.